Alright, so we just picked up the new Ryobi 1 Plus HP 3/8 inch impact driver here. Fresh 4 amp hour battery. Let's check this out real quick. Boom. First thing I'm noticing I'm not really liking about it is the friction ring. I've noticed that the sockets tend to start falling off if they're under heavy impact and you're not pressing it down on the screw. For example, it's not much of a demo, but you can see it already just kind of slips off like so. So not very good design, personally. But either way, we're going to drop some 3.5 inch lag bolts into this tree trunk here on each speed and see how this works out. Start with speed 1. Load up a lag bolt on a 1/2 inch socket here, and here we go. Speed 1. Kind of struggling here. Not overly exciting, but it is speed 1. Let's drop it up to speed 2 and load ourselves up a fresh lag bolt. As you can see, probably things already coming on is not good. Alright, speed 2 here. Well, here we go. Well, that's no good, but that's moderately better. Now let's try speed 3. That's much better. And we successfully dropped it into the screen. Hot as hell. Now, the interesting thing I noticed that when you put it in auto mode, which I guess is supposed to select the best possible torque application here. I'll drop this one right. Oh, damn, that's hot. I'll drop this right back in. I noticed that it actually stops for whatever reason. Not, oh, well, yeah, they just fell off right there, see? Ridiculous. Not quite sure what's up with that, but there we go. So, all in all, decent tool. Definitely not top shelf, but definitely not a piece of crap either. Hope you enjoyed.